Hello everyone, it's Bibi Cameron here. Welcome to a new Tonic Craft Kit video. Today I'm going to be sharing some ideas and inspiration using some of the products from the kit number 21. This kit includes a bottle of the new Nuvo Stone Drops, washi tape, a mini Nuvo expanding mousse, gilding flakes, ink, a blending tool, and paper in different colors and textures. This kit also includes a stamp set with 2 individual stamps, and you can see the stamps there. They will allow you to stamp textures, but you can also use the floral to stamp a card or an envelope or anything else. You will also receive this stencil with 2 different images to work with. You have hearts and triangles there, and a 10 pieces die set, which is this one here, and it has 2 sentiments, 3 corner dies, and another 3 decorative dies as well. These corner dies do not have a blade around the edge of the die, so when you use it to cut the paper, you will get that intricate detail on the paper and they won't cut the edge. So I can show you here a little bit better what I mean. And these are the patterns of only 2 of the 4 decorative dies included in the kit. I like all of the patterns, but for today I'm only going to use the floral dies. And I made several projects to share with you ideas and different layouts and different things you could do with the craft kit number 21. So the first idea I want to share with you is to create this super easy card and coordinating envelope. And I'm going to show you how to do this in 2 minutes. So there you go, you have the same design, different layouts, and the card in different colors as well with coordinating envelope. And the next sample is even easier. I wanted to use the washi tapes included in the kit to cover a piece of paper, and then I die cut it and I place it behind the front panel that I previously cut using a hard die. You can use any shape you have, a circle, a square, anything. This is just a sample. Then I finished my card by adding the sentiment, some embellishments, and I was done. For the next sample, I wanted to use the gilding flakes and also my DIY paper using washi tape. So I use an adhesive sheet on vellum and I stick the flakes on top just like that. Then I die cut that paper with the smaller dies in the die set, and I did the same with the paper I covered with washi tape. Then I glue all the little flowers in the center of that heart-shaped window. Remember, you can use a circle or another shape you have available. A butterfly will be fantastic. And to get better results, I'm also using a stylus to give shape to those flowers. I'm embellishing using these beautiful gold glitter accents, and something super important is that I use double-sided foam adhesive to stick that white panel on that navy blue panel. And these add dimension and it makes easier to fit those flowers in that heart-shaped window. I didn't like this navy blue border, so I trim it off and I adhere this panel on a piece of gold glitter cardstock included in the kit. I was being very careful because the glitter accents are still drying, and when they were completely dry, I could glue this onto a card base and I could add the sentiment. So I'm using these dimensional foam adhesives here to stick the sentiment right there, and that's the card done. I also have this super simple card to share with you today, and I also stamped a coordinating envelope using one of the stamps included in the kit as well. This time I just wanted to cut the whole front panel of a card. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and visit the blog for more ideas and inspiration. The links with supplies and also the links to shop are in the video description as well. Thank you very much for watching and happy crafting. Bye!